All right, we are back to go over the quiz. So our first question asks, which of these is not a number partner of 8? All right, so we have 8. We need to do our number partners. So our number partners for 8 are 0 plus 8 equals 8. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. And 4 plus 4 equals 8. And 5 plus 3 equals 8. So those are our fact families, and let's see which one is not an option. We have 4 plus 4 right there. We have 2 plus 6 right there. We have 7 plus 1 right there. But 5 plus 9, or 5 plus 4, sorry, is 9. So your answer to number 1 is 5 plus 4. This is not a number partner of 8. Number 2 asks us, for the question 13 minus 6, what is the fact family for 6 that helps us make 10? It's a lot of words, but it's really only asking us to make a 10. So we have 13 minus 6, and let's draw our fact families. We have 0 plus 6, we have 1 plus 5, we have 2 plus 4, we have 3 plus 3. Those are our fact families. And the first thing I notice is a 3 and a 3. So 13 minus 3 equals 10. And then we have our leftover 3. 10 minus 3 equals 7. So 13 minus 6 is 7. So if we look at our quiz, we see we have 3 plus 3, and that is what we used to make our 10. The last problem says, what is 14 minus 8? Use making a 10 to help you answer. So we have 14. We have 14 minus 8. I'm going to write my fact families again. 0 plus 8, 1 plus 7, 2 plus 6, 3 plus 5, 4 plus 4, and I notice 4 and 4. So 14 minus 8 is the same as saying 14 minus 4, which equals 10, and then 10 minus 4, because it's 2 4s, equals 6. So 14 minus 8 equals 6. That was our first lesson on making 10s. We'll have a few more in the upcoming days. Now please go to iReady and do 30 minutes of lessons that are tailored specifically for you. Have a great day, and I'll be back later with a read aloud. Goodbye.